4 Zulu Mike, runway 26 left. You're clear to land. You'll be turning inside of a Navajo on about a 7-mile final.
244 Zulu Mike, clear to land.
Zulu Mike, and I'm sorry, Zulu Mike, turn right Alpha 6, taxi to Millionaire via taxiway Alpha, remain this frequency, and just when you're ready to come out, contact ground.
Alpha 6, cleared to taxi to Millionaire, and I'll stay with you on the way. Thanks.
0 Hotel, Hotel Spirit Tower, runway 26 left. Are you full stop or are you going back out?
Go back out, come back in on a ILS 26 left.
For 70 Hotel, runway 26 left, you're clear for the option. After the option, maintain VFR, fly runway heading. You're going to be number 2 following a Bonanza, turn in left base.
Okay, cleared for the option and then runway heading, 70 Hotel. And Tower, Navajo, 70 Hotel, missed approach, flying runway head.
0 Hotel, roger, just continue runway heading. I'll get to the turn for you here in just a moment. For 70 Hotel, turn left southbound.
Left 180, 70 Hotel.
Number 0 Hotel, contact St. Louis departure 126.5.
Back departure 70 Hotel.
For Tower, Cherokee 54 Center, move Sierra, holding short 26 left at Alpha 2, ready for departure.
547 Romeo Sierra, turn left on course, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Left, clear for takeoff, 547 Romeo Sierra, left on course. Thank you.
Red Link 264, holding short at 26 left at Alpha 1, ready for departure.
64 Spirit Tower, roger, hold for IFR release.
Short at 26 left, Red Link 264.
Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, Red Link 264.
Red Lake 264, contact St. Louis departure. Have a good flight.
Back departure, get out, Red Lake 264.
stay parking.
Zero.
Crypto 5, turn right Alpha 8, taxi straight ahead to parking, remain this frequency.
Hey, straight ahead of parking with you, Crypto 5.
Spirit Tower, Spirit Jet 176, visual 26 left.
176 Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, clear to land, Spirit Jet 176.
Turn right, your discretion, taxi to parking via taxiway Alpha, remain this frequency.
Right turn on discretion.
Take care, have a good day.
Zulu Mike, runway 2 ready.
44 Zulu Mike, Spirit Tower, roger, and fly runway heading, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Take off on 26 left, fly runway heading.
Zulu Mike, I do have Navajo traffic on about 4 miles final.
Yeah, I'm on the way, on the roll right now, thank you.
Not a problem. For Zulu Mike, left turn on course to Parks is approved.
Left turn right now and on course to Park for Zulu Mike. Merry Christmas.
Tower, Navajo 70 Hotel, Hotel 5, 4 miles from the east.
70 Hotel, Hotel Spirit Tower, how will this approach terminate?
To do a missed approach and depart VFR to the north to go back to Creek Course, 70 Hotel Hotel.
November 70 Hotel, Hotel, runway 26 left, you're clear for the option, add the option, fly runway heading.
Cleared for the option and runway heading, 70 Hotel Hotel. Our Navajo's on missed approach and runway heading.
Hotel, roger, and if you're wanting to go VFR back to Creve Court, just squawk VFR, remain runway heading. I'll have a turn for you in just a moment.
0 Hotel.
926 Delta Whiskey, we on the visual 26 left.
926 Delta Whiskey Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
926 left, 6 Delta Whiskey.
Delta Whiskey, turn right Alpha 6, taxi to Millionaire via taxiway Alpha, remain this frequency. 0 Foxtrot Victor Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land, following another King Air 2 mile final.
2 behind King Air, 10 Fox Victor, thank you.
Foxtrot Yankee, safe parking. Or this, I'm sorry, Victor.
Victor, we're going to Millionaire, sir.
Foxtrot Victor, turn right Alpha 6, taxi to Millionaire via taxiway Alpha. Remain this frequency.
6 Alpha to Millionaire, thank you. Stay with you.
Star Trek 414, hold short 26 left, we're ready for departure.
Star Trek 414, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 26 left, clear for takeoff. Star Trek 240, or 414.
Star Trek 414, amend your instructions, turn left heading 120.
20, Star Trek 414.
Making Delta now, current bus number 300 there. Turn left heading 120 and contact St. Louis departure. Stay fine.
0 over to departure, Star Trek 414, thanks, have a good one.
1 Mike Alpha, holding short of 26 left, information Charlie, ready for takeoff.
Cirrus 341 Mike Alpha, Spirit Tower, make right traffic, runway 26 right, runway 26 left, Alpha 2, clear for takeoff. Charlie Whiskey, Spirit Tower, wind 2308, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, and clarify it right, make sure 26 left.
Zero Charlie Whiskey, safe parking. Charlie Whiskey, right turn, your discretion, taxi to Millionaire via Alpha.